Well, maybe you can take some home.
It won't be the same. I'll miss all of this, except washing the dishes.
You still have to do that.
No, I don't want to do that. That's my favorite, so now you can try too.
It's nice. Nice. It's delicious.
That's how me and my friend hang out after work or during special day like Christmas, having a chicken and beer.
Oh, my friends and I love videoke. And I think you guys call it noribang?
Yeah, noribang.
Noribang.
And then I remember Filipino sings very well.
Now that's a stereotype because I really can't.
You're joking me, to sing again.
You know what? When I was a kid, I used to go caroling with my cousins for Christmas. And that's how I found out. But we still did it every Christmas. Uy, wait lang. No! Sorry, the lights went out. Brown out. We can stop shooting now because it's your last day today.
Right.
Ooh, the battery pack is still on. Hi guys, we're still here, but darkness.
Then our mukbang must go on.
Wow, chicken by candlelight?
It's so romantic.
Yeah.
Also, before I go, I have a gift for you.
Thank you. Merry Christmas. Oh, those are the kids who go caroling for Christmas. The one I was telling you about.
Then let's go and watch them today so that I can experience before I'm leaving tomorrow. Let's go.
May Kapuso Christmas stories ka rin ba? Share it with us in the comments below.